Alright guys, today I'm show you guys how to rivet a long rivet into a fixed trunnion for the AK. So don't mind the receiver, it looks like shit. I got it actually from DDI. Let's kind of see that. Right before they went out of business, this is what they sent me. Alright, so I didn't record this portion, I didn't think of it, but every time you install whenever you install that long rivet in the rear, you always want it to be flush. I don't know if you can see, I'm new to this YouTube stuff, so you don't want it bulging out. Alright. So now that it's flush and it's seated correctly, this is what you have right here. That's what you're gonna smash. You can see everything's aligned. Alright. So I'm using the AK Builder jig. We're gonna go ahead and place this dome, rivet dome, with this cup right here, like this. And then lift this portion up, this threaded, whatever this is, guide. They also are going to give you several guides. These are to guide, it's different sizes. So you're going to, so this one doesn't fit, whichever one fits your current rivet. This one fits, this one fits snug. So I'm gonna go with the one that's snug, and then this is the one that shapes your actual rivet dome. So what you're gonna go and do, drop the guide in, and you want this to sit leveled. And you'll see what I'm talking about once you start doing it yourself. It's kind of hard to explain. You're gonna need this tool right here to wrap around the guide, and then you're gonna turn this down. All right. Now, this measures 1/2 inch. I don't have a crescent wrench right now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use some pliers and get this tight. Not crazy tight, but snug. Hang on, guys. Alright, there you go. So then you pull this guide up. Pull the guide out. Place this back on. Put this one, the one that's going to shape your rivet, and then let me go ahead and take this out of the camera. Bear with me. All right, so this is how you need to look right there, and then you'll see this, and then you should be able to want to make sure you're leveled and tight. That was my fault when I first started building. All right, I'm gonna do this one hand. When you start, what I normally do is I don't stop. Everyone will tell you differently. It's all based off your experience and how you feel comfortable doing. I've been doing this for a while now, so I just go. When I start, I go. And then what you want to do is you want to go until you have to apply a lot of strength. When it starts resisting, that's when you want to lay off of it, because it's basically crushed. And you'll see down here, it's normally like a snug strength. All right, moment of truth. So hard to do this while holding the camera. And it's not that bad. And that's how you do it, guys. Feel free to drop down some comments if you have any questions, concerns. Everything is in my bio on how to contact me. I'm more than happy to help. I've helped a few YouTubers before.